Hello. Hello. Good evening, everybody. We are a beauty production, and you will not see before you long. I fled from him night and day. I fled from him. Oh, shit. It is going to be all right. I fled from him night and day. I fled from him without even knowing the way. I took off without a second thought, always saying, God knows my heart. I took his love for granted, and every move that I made, his kindness, I took for advantage. So here I am, doing me, selling drugs, being a Jezebel, and smoking weed. The excitement, the thrill, the feeling, blended together to give me that high that I needed. I didn't even know how fast I was thinking. Matter of fact, I didn't even know what I was thinking. Before I knew it, I didn't notice my feet weren't moving, nor did I realize that my connection with God is what I was losing. I was caught up in a secular rapture, living a life with my sinful adventures, not knowing it was all going down on me. Because the sound said, all things betray thee, who betrayed me. So here I am, doing me. Selling drugs, being a Jezebel, and smoking weed. Lost in my own mind, assuming in the midst of my tears, all because I didn't listen when God was calling me near. Now my problems hit like Hurricane Katrina. The levee broke and I'm drowning while calling for Christ the Redeemer. Lord, please redeem me. I'm on my knees praying to you earnestly. Relieve me of my pain and remove this burden that led me astray. I shall listen to the sounds of heaven and speak of your word to all my brethren. O my Lord, my shepherd, I pray, before it's too late.
In our trials and tribulations, we need to call upon him. Because at times, we need to be delivered from our sins. At times, we need to be healed. Because we're sick and tired of trying to come to the world.
Where are you, God? Where are you? I need you, God. With you, all things are possible. You're able to heal the sick, make the lame walk, make the blind see. I need you, God. You're God of all wonders. Where are you?
And suddenly there came a sound from heaven, as a rush of mighty wind, and it filled all the house where they were sitting. And there appeared unto them an uncloven tongue, like as if fire had set upon them. And they were all filled with the Holy Ghost, and began to speak with other tongues as the Spirit gave them utterance.
Come let the light reveal to us the truth we long to know, reveal to us the path of right.
But ye shall receive the power of that after the Holy Ghost is come upon you. And ye shall be witnesses unto me both in Jerusalem and in Judea, and Samaria, and unto the uttermost part of the earth. Thank you.